Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how Tesla's efficiency is compared to other manufacturers' EVs today. For Teslas, when compared to the other non-Tesla EVs such as the Porsche Taycan and the Audi e-tron GT, when you're driving on the freeway at a constant 80 miles per hour, the efficiency doesn't drop massively like the other EVs on the market right now. There are two main factors to this: aerodynamics and electric motor efficiency. All Tesla models are extremely aerodynamic compared to its vehicle class. The Model 3 and the Model Y has a drag coefficient of 0.23, which is close to the most aerodynamic production car in the world, which is the Mercedes EQS at a drag coefficient of 0.2. For the Model Y especially, 0.23 is extremely impressive, especially for a mid-size crossover SUV. No other car in this segment even gets close to the Model Y's drag coefficient aerodynamic efficiency. The Model X at 0.24 coefficient, which is nearly unbelievable at the large SUV segment. The Model S totes a 0.208 drag coefficient, which makes it the second most efficient car in the world, right before the Mercedes EQS and just a tad ahead of the up-and-coming Lucid Air at 0.021 drag coefficient. The thing with aero drag is that most people don't realize the faster you go, the air resistance increases exponentially rather than linearly. Secondly, Tesla is foremost a technology company before a car manufacturing company. Their electric motor and battery technologies are developed in-house and are supposed to be even till this day the most efficient EV drivetrain on the market versus its competitors. These two facts makes Tesla currently probably the best EV choice to travel long distance, also combined with its excellent supercharging network. No other charging network right now rivals the Tesla Superchargers network for two main reasons. First, superchargers are generally plentiful. Tesla is constantly adding new supercharger location throughout the US and the world. Secondly, the charging simplicity really puts other networks such as ChargePoint or Electrify America to shame. The speed of the beginning supercharging process or level 3 charging is unrivaled. You literally plug the charger into the car's charge port and that's it. The charging begins the second you plug in the charger. You don't need to fiddle through the app. You don't need to prepay on your phone. You just park at the supercharging stall and plug in the charger. That's it. I know that other charging networks are now beginning to adopt this plug and charge method, but it's not exactly comparable. Firstly, you have to set up the option in your account. Secondly, your car has to support this feature. Thirdly, not all Electrify America supports this plug and charge feature. And even when everything is working, when you plug in the charger typically takes 30 seconds to a minute to begin the handshake process and then starts charging. Not to mention that anyone uses Electrify America on a normal basis till this day would know that sometimes for absolutely no reason the charging session would stop and you would either have to restart the charging process or try another stall or charger. I've used the Tesla Superchargers probably at least 100 times now. I have never had a problem charging with the Supercharger network and its charger. It's always working right away and the sessions never stop for no reason before the charging is completed. I'm sure as time goes by, other charging infrastructures and network will continuously improve, and probably one day it will be just as good as Tesla's network, but as of right now in 2021, I really think that it's at least a few years away. There is another reason why Tesla is so dominant in the EV market right now, not only in the US but in almost every single country's EV market. Because Tesla offers a top-to-bottom complete EV owning experience with the least compromises over a traditional internal combustion vehicle. Alright, thanks for watching you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It will greatly help support this channel.